The next example is of butane. Value of N is equal to 4, and the formula that we are going to get is C4H6. First step is to arrange all the 4 carbon atoms in one straight line. Here we have shown the triple bond between the first 2 carbon atoms. Hence we will start numbering from left to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to distribute the 6 hydrogen atoms amongst these 4 carbon atoms such that the valencies of each of the carbon atom will be satisfied. We will start with the first carbon. It is forming a triple bond with this carbon here. So they are sharing 3 pairs of electrons, that is 6 electrons. So the carbon atom number 1 needs only 2. So it will form single bond with 1 hydrogen. So this carbon has shared 3 electrons with this carbon, which has also shared 3. So this carbon number 1 is still left with 1 electron, and it will share its 1 electron with this hydrogen. So now it has got 2 plus 6, that is 8 electrons. Coming to the second carbon, it is sharing 3 electrons with this carbon. So in all, 6 are already present here, and it is forming one single bond with this carbon. So 6 plus 2, that is 8. So octet for second carbon is already established. All 4 valencies are satisfied, or all 4 electrons of the second carbon atom are forming a bond. So it does not need any bonding with hydrogen. Coming to carbon atom number 3, we can see that it is forming one single bond here and one single bond on this side. So it has got 2 plus 2, that is 4 electrons. 2 electrons are still left with this carbon. So it will share 1 electron with 1 hydrogen on this side and 1 electron with this hydrogen. So now it has got 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons. So it is sharing 1 pair of electron with 2 hydrogen atoms, and it is also sharing 1 electron each with carbon on both the sides. So one single bond with this carbon and one single bond with this carbon. Coming to carbon atom number 4, it is forming only one single bond, we can see here, with this carbon. Still 3 valencies are free, so it will form a single bond with 3 hydrogen atoms. So it has now got 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons. And this is how we have distributed the 6 hydrogen atoms. So you will not randomly attach hydrogen atoms to any carbon atom. You will count the number of electrons. The number of electrons with each carbon must be 8, and all the 4 valencies should be satisfied. We can write the structure as CH, triple bond, C, single bond, CH2, single bond, CH3. Now while naming the compound, we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms. So it is considered to be a derivative of butane. The corresponding alkane is butane. So we will use only the root word, that is but. Because there is triple bond, the suffix will be YNE. So you will change ANE to YNE to indicate presence of triple bond. Since the triple bond here is between carbon atoms 1 and 2, and out of that only smaller number is to be selected according to rule, it will be 1-butene or but-1-ine. The same structure can be drawn in this way also. Now we have shown the triple bond between these 2 carbon atoms. So we shall start numbering from right side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the numbers that will be given, such that the Carbon atoms between which triple bond is present will get the smallest number, and it is now between 2 and 1, and out of these the smaller number is 1. Again, we will distribute the 6 hydrogen atoms. The first one from here, this side, or the fourth carbon, will get 3 hydrogen because it is forming one single bond here, you can see, with this carbon. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. All valencies are satisfied and it has got 8 electrons. Coming to this one, that is third carbon, it will form 2 single bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms because it is already forming one single bond with this carbon and one single bond with this carbon. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons for this carbon also. Coming to the second one, this carbon does not need any hydrogen because it is already having 6 from here plus 2, that is 8. And the last one here, the first carbon atom, it is forming 3 or a triple bond with this carbon. So it has got 6. One valency is still free, so it will form one single bond here with one hydrogen. So 6 plus 2 is 8. We can write it as CH3, single bond CH2, single bond C, triple bond CH. The name of this compound will also be butene or but1-ine. We can have one more structure for butene. First step is to arrange the 4 carbon atoms in one straight line. Now we have shown the triple bond between these 2 carbon atoms. If you number the carbon atoms from left to right, you get numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you are going to number from right to left, again you start from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. In either cases, you will get the triple bond between carbon atoms number 2 and 3. Here also 2 and 3. And we shall make use of the smaller number, that is 2, when we are naming the compound. So both the ways are correct. So both the ways of numbering the carbon atoms are correct. Now we shall distribute the 6 hydrogen atoms. Starting with this carbon here, it is forming only one single bond with this carbon. One pair of electron is being shared here. Still, this carbon is having 3 electrons. So it will share its 3 electrons with the 3 electrons of hydrogen. So between carbon and hydrogen, one pair of electron will be shared. Carbon will share its 1 electron with this hydrogen, 1 electron with this, and 1 electron with this hydrogen. Hydrogens in turn will also share 1 electron each. So there will be one pair of electron here between carbon and hydrogen on 3 sides. So now octet is established, 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons. Coming to this carbon here, it is forming single bond with this carbon, so 2 electrons are shared here. And we can see a triple bond, so 6 electrons are shared between these 2 carbon atoms. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So this carbon will not need any hydrogen because all valencies are satisfied. Coming to this carbon here, triple bond we can see here, single bond here. So 2 plus 6, that is 8. Octet is established for this carbon also. Coming to this carbon, it is forming only one single bond we can see here. So 3 electrons are still free. And these 3 electrons of the carbon will be shared with the hydrogen, and it will form one single bond with this hydrogen, one single bond here and one single bond here. So 2, 4, 6 and 8 electrons. So octet is established for this carbon also. We can write the structure as CH3, single bond, C, triple bond, C single bond CH3. While naming the compound, we will first count the number of carbon atoms, that is 4. So it is considered to be a derivative of butane. The corresponding alkane will be butane. We will use the root word but and we will change the suffix from ane to yne because there is a triple bond. So the name that we get is butane. But the carbon atoms between which the triple bond is present is 2 and 3, and out of that the smaller number is 2, and hence the name of the compound will be 2-butyne. So the number you will use as prefix. You will use a small horizontal line to separate it from the name. So the name will be 2-butyne, or we can write it as but, horizontal line, the number that is 2, again a horizontal line, and YNE. So but-2-ine can also be the name of this compound. So we have studied the structures for alkynes, and I want you all to try the structure of pentyne. The various possible structures of pentyne you will try to make.